Good day guys, this is Kenzo. So today is Thursday. Let's do our daily analysis for NASDAQ 100. So on a 4-hour time frame, you can see I already drawn my uptrend lines and the downtrend line. So here you see we had to draw this support trend line here so that we can know when the market breaks this point. It's where you can sell. I talked about this thing on the last video. You can check what happened actually. So let's go to a smaller time frame so that we can see. On a 1-hour time frame, you can see the market rejected on this point on our resistance. You can see the market rejected here, but obviously you were not going to sell from this point. You were going to sell from when the market break. I told you the market will break and come and retest, then go down again. You can see the market did the same thing exactly as I said. The market broke, went up and retest this position, then dropped. So at the moment I expect the market to reach this point because we already confirmed that now it's a very nice sell. So that's why I advise people not to buy at this point, because the market just rejected here. So you can see this. If you used if you used 4-hour time frame, we're going to see a very nice picture. Sorry. You can see here the market just showed us everything. You can see the market turned here, and for the second time came here, third time, fourth and fifth. Here the market broke this support, and after it broke the support, it went up and respected this support. Now it's like a resistant line now. So that's why the market is going down. So my expectation at the moment is let's go on a 4-hour time frame so that we can see what's really going on. What I'm expecting, you can see the market is very high. Actually, it's a very, I can say you can still sell from this point. So I expect the market to still push down when the market open. But remember, the market won't just go down like that. The market will just make you to be out of the market. So the market will just do something like you can see here, the market broke, went up, broke. So the market will just do something like this, so that you don't hold your positions longer. But at the end of the day, you can see that the market actually, it was just going down. Sometimes if we lucky, we can find something like this. Only 3 candles we already on our resistance, on our support. So sometimes we'll have these moves that just, even if maybe you lock your profit, you'll end up hitting that lock, your TP, because the market will just go up and down. So the best way, if you get it here, is still a very nice position. You can still sell. Maybe the market will reach somewhere here, then we can have a nice buy. So because the market already confirmed that this is a sell. If we go to a smaller time frame, I hope you saw that on a, let's go to an hour. You can see that the market came there and there is retest. You can see the market broke this point. You can see here the market was resisting. You can see here the market was just resisting from this point. These candles were unable to break this point, but once it broke this point, the market went up, and with several candles, you can see this 1 2 3 almost 7 candles, they did not break this trend here. They did not break this resistance now. So you can see that the market, and it's perfect. You can see the line is very perfect to show you that the market was just respecting that point because there were no longer enough buyers. So buyers, I mean bullish people, people who want to buy, they were all over. I mean they were obviously they saw that the sell or the bearish, they were enough here. They were not going to place the buy orders from this point. So that's why the market was just resisting from this point. When they shoot, you can see when they shoot, the market just shot down. But remember, just because this thing it's a market, it still since it still respect the technical analysis, it won't just drop like this. It has to go down like exactly as you see. It has to go down like that. So if you have a position somewhere, don't panic and think maybe the market will just come here. You can see this point actually it's respected at the moment. So if you placed an order, don't be afraid when the market retest or do something. The best thing that you can do, you can just place your order. If it's a sell or if it's a buy, then leave it. You can just put your stop loss and take profit, then relax, or you can get out of the market and do other things. Because sometimes, if maybe for example, if you sold from this point and you see the market coming down like this, maybe obviously you were going to be happy, you can even lock the profit. But when you see the market comes back like this, obviously you were going to panic. Maybe you were going to close with a very smaller profit, but after a few hours the market went down again, and the market can continue to go down again. So my point here is be patient with your winners. If you have positions that are in profit, you can lock them to avoid any loss, but don't lock them with a very big. If maybe for example, if you opened a buy from this point and the market maybe it's here, so don't lock your profit somewhere here, because the market will just come and touch your lock position here, I mean your TP, and go down your stop loss, because you will take your stop loss from this point to this point. So market will just come and touch your stop loss and go down, and it will just do the same thing. And when you finally see the market reached somewhere here, you will see that actually if maybe you placed your stop loss, you were going to be in a very nice profit. So the best way, if maybe your position is here, just lock your profit maybe very closer, so that at least you don't lose anything. So you have nothing to lose actually. So if the market just go down, so you don't care, the market will just go down. But if it comes back, then you will be out. Because I had this situation where I just open every time when I open a position like this, I'll open a position like this. Then when the market is in profit like this, I will just put my lock profit very few pips away from the market. So after a few hours or minutes, the market will just touch my SL, my stop loss. Then after few minutes, you will find the market around here. You see. So the best way is to do what? Put, as long as you can break even. If you open your position is here, just put your very close, so that the market can breathe, can able to come back and go down, something like that. So you can maximize your profits. So at the moment, you can just, I can advise anyone not to buy from this point. I see only sell positions. You can even draw something like this if you like to draw the trend line, and you can see the market, it's respecting this point. It's how the market can go until maybe our market break this and go to upper and change the direction. So it's easy at the moment. It's a very nice, if maybe you didn't see the, if you checked yesterday's video, I hope maybe you took the right decision. If you did not, you still have a chance from this point to until maybe somewhere. I don't advise anyone to sell or to buy. I'm not a financial advisor, but at the moment, the positions for sell position they are very good. So let me take this one out. So please guys, if you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. You can also don't forget to hit notification button so that you don't miss other video I do daily. Daily analysis for NASDAQ and USDT. Thank you guys. I also have a special, it's $40. You get the system and my signal, my daily signals in my Telegram group. You can just ask me, then I will tell you what to do, then you can be in my group. Thank you.